real craze behind IPO in 2021? Why are so many companies going public this year? Well, we're here to decode this for you. Several companies ranging from tech startups to chemical manufacturing firms and restaurant chains as well have already gone public in 2021. Investment bankers tracking IPOs here suggest that this will be a record year for fundraising, as at least 30 companies have already filed IPO papers to raise 55,000 crores. More companies are expected to go public this year. But why are so many companies going public in 2021? Let's try and make sense of this IPO craze. So what is an IPO? An initial public offering, or IPO as it's called, is basically a process where a private company offers its shares to the public as part of a fresh issuance to raise money from investors. The process marks the transition of a private company to a publicly listed firm. Which companies can go public? Well, firms that have attained unicorn status, surpassed a valuation of $1 billion, usually go for IPOs, but really there's no fixed criteria here. Private companies with strong fundamentals and proven profitability can also apply for an IPO to get publicly listed. Why is there a sudden rush of IPO this year? Many companies have opted for IPOs since the end of 2020, primarily due to the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on businesses and exuberant stock market activity. Analysts suggest that companies are going public due to the excellent performance seen in the stock markets and higher participation of first-time investors, including high net worth individuals. Even as the pandemic continues to wreak havoc on India's economy, the domestic stock market has not been affected at all. In fact, stock market benchmark indices, S&P, BSE, Sensex and Nifty 50 are performing even better than ever at the moment. Raising capital via IPO route. Given the stellar market performance, a higher percentage of recent IPOs have done exceptionally well, and more investors are looking to make the most of this period. Companies are going public to either raise capital in the wake of losses encountered during the COVID-19 pandemic or to fund business expansion due to increase in demand. For most tech and online delivery startups like Paytm, MobiKwik, Zomato and other firms, the key reason behind going public is to raise capital and expand business as demand grows rapidly.